How to send HD quality photos and videos on WhatsApp on Windows. In this video, we are going to see how to send photos and videos in high definition quality on WhatsApp. Normally, when you send photos or videos on WhatsApp, the quality may be reduced. So if you want to send your media in HD quality, here's what you can do. First, open WhatsApp app and click your profile icon at the bottom left corner. Next, go to Chats. Under the chat settings, find Media Upload Quality. By default, this may be set to standard quality. Standard quality uses less storage and is faster to send. If you want to send important photos or videos in higher quality, change the setting to HD quality. Keep in mind that HD media can take longer to send and may use significantly more data and storage. Now, send the photos or videos you want to share in HD quality. And that's how you can send photos and videos in HD quality on WhatsApp on Windows. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.